Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a capture card. First, connect your gaming console or PC to the capture card's HDMI input port using a high-quality HDMI cable. Next, connect the capture card's HDMI output to your monitor or television. Finally, plug the capture card into your computer using a USB 3.0 cable. This ensures a fast and stable connection for data transfer. Once your hardware is connected, the next step is installing the necessary software. Visit the capture card manufacturer's website to download and install their recommended application. After installation, launch the software and navigate to the settings. Here, you will select your capture card as the main video and audio input source. Ensure your computer meets the minimum specifications for smooth operation. Now, let's optimize your capture settings for the best results. Within the software, adjust the resolution and frame rate. Common choices are 1080 pixels at 60 frames per second. Set the audio input to your capture card to ensure clear game sound. If available, enable hardware acceleration for improved performance. Always perform a brief test recording to confirm everything is working perfectly. If you encounter any issues, start by checking all cable connections to ensure they are secure. Always keep your capture card drivers updated to the newest version from the manufacturer's website. For optimal performance, close any unnecessary background applications on your computer. Consider using a dedicated USB 3.0 port, as this can significantly improve data transfer stability and prevent dropped frames.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.